Unlock your potential to share ideas and stories with the world by crafting captivating blog posts in WordPress. First things first, let's get you into your WordPress admin area. Once logged in, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Posts. Then select Add New. This brings you to the heart of blog post creation. You'll be greeted by the WordPress editor here. You have a choice. You can use the powerful Gutenberg block editor, or if you have it installed, the intuitive Elementor page builder. Let's dive into Gutenberg. First, start by giving your post a compelling title in the designated field now. To add content, simply click the plus icon to add block. You'll find an array of options, from simple paragraphs and headings to image blocks, lists, and even embed codes for videos and social media. For text, choose a paragraph block and start typing to add an image. Select the image block. Then either upload a new image from your computer or choose one from your media library. You can also resize and align images directly within the editor. Now, if you prefer Elementor, after clicking Add New Post, look for the Edit with Elementor button and click it. This will launch the visual drag-and-drop interface. Elementor makes adding content incredibly visual from the left-hand panel. Drag and drop widgets like heading, text editor, or image directly onto your page canvas. You can then customize their appearance, content, and layout with ease. For images in Elementor, drag an image widget onto your page. Then click the placeholder to upload your image or select it from your media library. All styling and adjustments are done within the widget settings panel. Whichever editor you choose, remember to use the preview button to see how your post will look before publishing. Once you're happy, hit the Publish button to share your valuable content with the world.